Hey guys, great morning for the Qs, trading in the box. Everything's been going great all morning long. Let's take a look at the charts. We've got a QQQ that is trading in the box, right, as we like to say. And we are doing this, sideways thing between the central pivot and R1, and it has been some really, really good trading in terms of locking into these volatility bands, locking into where we think the confluence is going to be, and also capitalizing on some of those around the horn patterns. So we had an infield fly set up right up here. That worked out beautifully, and we've had other things over the course of the day that really gave us a good opportunity to catch inflections at pivots, to catch the momentum trades, to do some scalping. So this area down in here was really good for some heavy-duty scalping, and that was all based on the fact that we came out of the pattern setup right at the pivot. So first we had a long up above the pivot. I'll tell you, when it broke up above these highs right here, we had a long that got us up into this level of support and resistance right here. I guess it's a little bit further back on the chart today, or at this point in time, than what we see here. But we were basically looking to get up into here and catch that long price action, get a little bit of a bump to the upside, and then if it would have come back down, tag the pivot and rode higher again, there was an opportunity there, to get all the way up into this stuff up here if the market was going to get strong. Didn't happen. It reversed, and I'm expecting another reversal in about, I guess, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and if that happens, might be low, might be about 1:40 Eastern time if everything holds true, that we see this market reverse again. But for now, as long as we're coming into these bands, you can see here that price is coming right down to the threshold level that we expected, that we anticipated on a short sale. So if you're down below that pivot, the thing that I would say is, even though this was the support and resistance line from yesterday, I would look at this low right here. That was a pretty major low. It really reversed price, got price all the way back up into here. It's a good place to pull the plug, take the profit, and wait for the next setup. Over the course of the session, really what I'm planning on doing is looking for more of these pattern setups, and I'm hoping that it's going to stay in these tight areas of consolidation so that we can get these nice swing moves that play out with the around the horn patterns, the cycle patterns, and then also, maybe if we get a reversal lower and this thing keeps moving down, then what we'll want to look at are the bumps off of here, possible retracements up into this support and resistance line, which I really do think, we're going to want to move up a little bit to account for, what's been happening today. And just say we want to see it get sort of up into this threshold level of the volume by price stuff, get up a little bit into this tail over here. And if it does all that stuff, then if we start seeing the retraces down below here, right, then we've got a game plan for short side price action on the QQQs and the NQs. And otherwise, if it stays above that central pivot, just playing it in the zones that it's been in all morning long has been working really well. So that's the game plan for that. We've been watching Tesla all morning. We've been short Tesla in the room. So if you guys have been in there with us, you know that there's been a lot of opportunity to short the retraces on Tesla. I'm not going to pull that chart up right now because we're starting to run a little bit long here, but I think that over the course of the rest of the session, if you keep an eye on Tesla, you're going to be able to see that there's opportunity there. And don't forget, we've got that Magnificent 7 course coming up real soon. Should be available this weekend. Talks all about how to trade all these guys that are in the news every day, the things that are essentially floating the entire market: Amazon, Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Tesla. Those are the stocks that have been giving us most of the price action, have been doing most of the propping up of the market, and those are the stocks I think that are going to give us the biggest opportunities over the next few months. So hope you have a rest of a great day today, that it's just going to be all good trades, and I'm going to check in with everybody a little bit later on for some more of the QQQ NQ alerts. So keep an eye on your text messages and on your inbox for some more updates over the course of the rest of the session. Have a great day.